Hey Jack, it's been a hot day. I just moved the hose and left some water there and he just got straight onto it. It's nice and cool. Oh, you're so cute. Yes you are. Aww. Oh, you got your dirt in your eye. So cute. Are you trying to gut me? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, he's a good boy. You a good boy? Mm. You know where Brian is? Is he off looking for mushies? It's not really the right time of the year to find mushies. Oh. He's a good boy. Ah, you could put up with this all day, couldn't you? Yes, you could. You're going to be like mean to my hand. Oh. Yeah, where's the tennis ball? I think there's one over here. Tennis ball. Hey Jack, where's the ball? Where's the ball, Jack? You in the mood to play? Or is it too hot today? Where's the ball, Jack? Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Jack? Where's the ball? That's it, kill it. Where's your good boy? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Jack? Here's the ball. Ah. Strange creature. Give me the ball so I can throw it. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Ah. Where's the ball, Jack? Get it. Oh, he doesn't want to run after it today. He's in a lazy mood. Where's the ball, Jack? Where's the ball, Jack? You hot kitty, eh? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Here, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, where? Get it. Right. Nah, he's too lazy. Go on, get the ball. Where's the ball? Get it. Get the ball. Get it. Get it. Get it. Come on.